Hi people, today I'm at St Giles on Bedford Road in London, near Tottenham Court. Well, Tottenham Court Road, shall I say. I booked a classic single, I think it is. So I have stayed here before, many years ago, and we're just looking at this room. It's nothing compared to what I last stayed at, and this is just, I haven't even checked the room or anything yet, but it looks very basic compared to what I had in the past, what was classed as a classic room. So should we take a look? So as you can see, we've got a single bed there, and let's have a look at it, shall we? So I've got one pillow, which is no good for me. Looks like there's another one there, because I can't sleep on one because of my breathing. So there's mattress encasement. Looks pretty much clean. Not underneath though, because I can actually see, I don't know if you can see, but I can actually see a hair under that. Encasement is stained there, as you can see, and there. So, yeah. And we got a bedside lamp there. Phone. Yeah, it works. Safe. Hairdryer. Box of tissues. Information about the restaurant. And then basically, as part of continuing commitment to enhance our property, provide you with the best, we are in the process of renovation. I might explain why this room looks so basic. Coat hangers there, chair, shelving. No plug sockets, but there's USB charge. The wall looks very stained there as well. Don't look that clean, that wall. Yeah. And then you've got this air conditioning unit. So don't know if that brings out warm air as well, or if it's just cold air. So it tells you what centigrade you want it at. Turn the fan down. Turn it off. And then that's the view. Did turn it off. It's better. Right, so this is our window. There's our view of the Sainsbury's there. The window opens as well. Oh, that's a bit tough. Right, then we've got TV there, which I'll check with the remote. There. And then we've got kettle. Let's have a look at how it's clean. Yeah, looks clean. Yeah, works. And then we've got 2 milks. Wow. Green tea. Oh, that's good. because I like green tea. And Nescafe and sugar there. Right. And then you got your evacuation plan there as well. And then let's have a look at this bathroom. Looks okay. And the shower. Looks clean. Weird shower head. Ugh. Let's test it out, shall we? Yeah, any pressure. Not yet warm. No, still not warm. No, still not warm. Let me see if it's... No. Ah, it's warming up now. So it takes a little bit to warm up. Yeah. It's not that warm though. Yeah, it's not that quite warm. Yeah. Then you've got hand, hair and body wash there. Just wipe my hands. And we've got a hand towel and a bath towel there. And got floor towel. Excuse my fingers. Soap there, glass, toilet roll. And of course I do like it when they do things like that. Is toilet clean? Yeah. And you've got toilet roll down there. No coat hooks or anything for. And bin. And you've got a sink, shelf, and a mirror as well. And again, you've got a bin there. So, but yeah, it's quite a basic room. I paid £63 for this one for the night. It's quite central. It's a 2-minute walk to top of Oxford Street. And yeah, it should have been 90 odd quid this one. So I saved about 30 quid. So yeah, I don't rate it much compared to what I've paid for in the past with this hotel, and a lot better room. A lot better. And that was a single as well. Oh, you've got a plug socket there with USB as well. Excuse me, bags. Like, there's not really anywhere to put them, as you can see. So, yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please give it a like and subscribe and share. And I hope you watch future videos if this is your first video that you've come across of mine. And I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.